Let's watch some crazy stuff, yo!
AVCLabs Video Object Remover and PhotoPro AI help you remove unwanted objects in seconds for free. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to remove unwanted objects using smart AI tools. First, import your video into AVCLabs Object Remover. Click to upload your video. Then, choose whether to remove static objects or enable object tracking for moving targets. Finally, hit the Remove button in the bottom right. Wait for about a minute and you'll get a clean, polished video. Now, let's talk about removing objects from photos. This process is even simpler. AVCLabs also offers a free online tool called AI Object Remover, but today I'm introducing a more professional and precise solution. Start by importing your image into AVCLabs PhotoPro AI. From the left toolbar, select AI in Paint. Then, use any brush tool to paint over the object you want to remove. Click Apply, and once the edit is complete, download and save the image to your device. No need for complex editing software or advanced skills.